Starting a YouTube channel is easy, but growing a YouTube channel takes time. Kaya karamihan sa mga Filipino YouTubers ay nag-quit agad sa kanilang YouTube journey kasi nawala ng motivation, they encounter problems, or lack of inspiration sa paggawa ng content nila. Kaya sa video na ito, i-share ko sa iyo ang aking 10 YouTube tips na makatulong sa YouTube journey mo. Hi, Rose here, and I help digital business owners share their message with the world without being a tech savvy. If you are looking to grow your audience online, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you will get notified every time that I have a new video just like this one. Either you are new to YouTube or you have been on the platform for a quite long time, we both know that getting views, getting subscribers, and getting to the YouTube partner program is hard. Not unless if you are already a celebrity or isa kang artista or sikat ka na bago magsimula ng YouTube channel, ay hindi na ito mahirap para sa'yo. But for those who are started from scratch or from zero audience, gaya ko, then it's gonna be so hard. Spoiler alert! Tip number 1 might surprise you. Alright, YouTube tip number 10 that changed my life. Know your ideal audience. Bago ka pa mag-record ng video, bago ka pa gumawa ng YouTube channel mo, dapat alam mo na kung para kanino ka gagawa ng video at kung sino-sino ba yung mga tao na gusto mong manood ng mga videos mo. Let's say for example, this channel. So my ideal audience for my videos are digital business owners, entrepreneurs, coaches, and course creators, and consultants. So by doing this, by planning kung sino yung mga target audience mo, magiging mas madali na lang sa'yo ang paggawa ng content para sa YouTube channel mo. Kasi you already know or may data ka na kung sino ba yung ideal audience mo. Tip number 9. Do not rely on YouTube monetization program or yung YouTube ads kung gusto mong kumita sa YouTube. There are a lot of ways that you can make money on YouTube. Right now, I'm so thankful dahil sa YouTube, I was able to learn a skill like the video editing skill, YouTube management, graphic design, and affiliate marketing that I used para kumita sa aking YouTube channel. Through this channel, I was able to attract my ideal clients, my ideal audience as well. So you need to think bigger than YouTube ads. This is one of the mistakes na iniisip ng mga baguhan sa YouTube na malaki ang kitaan sa YouTube ads. The fact is that hindi. Lalo na if you only have less views and wala kang masyadong maraming viral na videos. So you need to think smart kung paano ka kikita sa channel mo. Gaya ng sinabi ko, you can apply or you can develop your skills and apply for freelance work, for virtual assistants, for affiliate marketing, sell your products, sell your own services, sell your digital products like ebook and digital course. I know that it takes time para ma-learn mo ang skills na yun, but it is very important. Tip number 8. Don't let your upload schedule control your life. I know that consistency is key to be successful here on YouTube. But my friend, you have a life outside YouTube. You have your family, you have your friends, you have kids to take care of. Ang dami mong gagawin outside YouTube. So, wag kang ma-stress kung hindi ka nakapag-upload, let's say, for example, for Friday and then hindi mo siya nagawa kasi nagiging busy ka na sa outside world mo. Well, it's okay. It's okay not to be consistent because you have a life. Andiyan naman sa YouTube, hindi naman siya mawawala, maliban na lang kung i-delete siya ng mga developers, di ba? Huwag ka masyadong ma-stress. You can go back on YouTube and create content again sa YouTube when you are ready and motivated to do so. Your audience are just waiting there for you. Tip number 7. always forgive yourself. So, related lang din po ito sa ating tip number 8. Kasi guys, ang mahalaga ngayon is that you need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your mental health. Forgive yourself if hindi ka nakapag-upload ng video sa week na to or sa month na ito. Forgive yourself if wala kang motivation to create video, to film and record a video. Just forgive yourself if feeling mo slow yung growth mo sa yung YouTube channel because it is part of the process and hindi lang naman ikaw ang nakaranas ng mga ganyan na situation. Even me, I always experience that feeling na ayokong gumawa ng content. Wala ako sa mood na gumawa ng content. And I feel that wala akong confident na mag-record ng video sa araw na ito. And there are times that I'm so busy in my life as a first-time mom and doing a freelance work and learning things about digital marketing and a lot of things are on my hands and minsan nakakalimutan ko na may YouTube channel pala ako na kailangan kong mag-upload ng content. Nakaka-depressed, nakaka-frustrate kasi feeling ko hindi ako worth it na magkaroon ng mga subscribers kasi hindi ako nagiging consistent sa aking channel. But iniisip ko na it's okay. Ang mahalaga is that I need to be healthy. I need to protect my mental health kasi yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. And moving on to our next tip which is get 1% better in every upload. Hindi mo naman kailangan na maging magaling ka na agad sa paggawa ng video. Dapat maganda na agad yung mga gears mo. Dapat marunong ka nang gumawa ng thumbnail. Marunong ka nang mag-come up ng video ideas. So, yung mga ganun na mga strategies to grow your YouTube channel. So, dandahanin mo lang, no? Maybe this week you will get 1% better in creating a great title. And then, maybe on the other weeks or months, you will learn on how to create a better thumbnail for your videos. So, hindi ka lang nabultuhan yung learnings mo para hindi ka ma-overwhelm. Nakaka-overwhelm naman talaga if feeling mo kailangan mong matutunan lahat in one time, di ba? Take your time to learn the skills that you need. Kung feeling mo ngayon kailangan mo nang magiging magaling or i-improve yung presence mo on the front of the camera, then practice it, develop that skills. Just take one step at a time. And there is no better way to get improved in your skills from scripting, from recording, from editing, ay yung pag-upload mo ng videos. Create more mistakes and learn from that mistakes. Tip number 5 is that don't compare yourself to other content creators. It's okay to look up those mga content creators na marami ng subscribers, but do not compete yourself, lalo na if nagsisimula ka pa lang talaga sa YouTube and then yung idol mo is nasa mga 1 million subscribers na kasi ma-frustrate ka lang eh. Hindi ka makapag-focus kung ano talaga yung skills mo inside at kung ano yung content na maibigay mo sa iyong audience. You have your own journey. So, do not compare. Instead, compare yourself from who you are yesterday and who you are today. Tip number 4 is to learn the YouTube SEO or search engine optimization. Sa stage na to guys, dapat may knowledge ka na on how to optimize your videos from the title, from the thumbnails, descriptions, tags, and metadata. This is very important skills na matutunan mo lalo na if you are just getting started on YouTube, as in, you start from zero. Just like me, I really started from zero audience and I don't have followers on social media kasi hindi ako mahilig na mag-post sa aking mga social media. So, I didn't have that followers and I really started sa YouTube from literally zero. Lahat naman tayo ay nagsisimula sa zero, even if yung mga big YouTubers out there, nagsisimula din sila sa zero. And learning SEO is your best way para ma-discover yung videos mo dun sa mga audience or sa mga viewers na naghahanap ng content mo. And there are a lot of tutorials on how to rank your videos on YouTube. So I advise that you need to learn and watch those videos. Ang pinaka-advice ko dito guys, lalo na if nag-start ka pa lang talaga, is to create an evergreen content. Ibig sabihin, ang gagawin mo mga video is yung mga video na hinahanap ng mga target audience mo. Kaya mahalaga talaga na meron ka ng target audience na gusto mong ma-attract. Kasi malalaman mo dito kung ano yung mga sinisearch nila online. So, you gonna use these words sa paggawa din ng content mo. I advise that you will start from how to videos, mga tutorials like this one, diba? How to start a YouTube channel, how to create videos. So, yung mga ganon na mga tutorials that is related to your niche or to your topic. Tip number 3 is do not treat your subscribers as numbers. Whether you have 100 subscribers right now, 1,000 subscribers, or 10,000 subscribers, always remind yourself, even me, I always remind myself that those people who subscribe to my channel, to this channel, are also human, that they have priorities in life, that they have goals, they have ambitions, they have feelings. Mostly, they are not numbers. So, I always think kung ano yung gagawin ko na video, makatulong ba doon sa tao na manood ng video na ito. Is this video can change the life of that person? Is this video helpful to that person? I always consider my audience. I always think na dapat yung mga gagawin kong content is makatulong sa kanila. We may not know each other, but the fact that you come to this YouTube channel and watch this video, it's very an honor for me and I'm so thankful for that. Tip number 2 is to celebrate small wins. Especially if nasa business world ka, diba? And I know building an online audience while creating your online course, while creating your ebook and your membership site is very hard. There are a lot of things to consider and a lot of things to sacrifice to make it successful. So just like in YouTube, kahit anong konting improvement ng views mo, kahit isang tao lang yung nag-subscribe ngayon, be thankful. If someone leave a comment on your video na, uy, ang ganda ng video mo, kesyo, gaito, ganyan. So, just be thankful. For the hate comments, well, just be thankful as well. Kasi nakakatulong yan sila sa algorithm ni YouTube. Diba? Celebrating small wins can really help you para magiging motivated ka sa inyong digital business and also sa iyong YouTube channel. So, tip number 1, build an email list. This is really a game changer in my life and in my business and in my career as a content creator and a freelancer as well. It is because the audience that we have on YouTube, the views and the subscribers that we have on YouTube, we did not own those audience. Anytime, pwedeng i-shutdown ni YouTube yung YouTube channel account natin, di ba? So, paano mo hanapin ang mga tao na yon? This is very important to build your own army of email subscribers and build your own audience outside YouTube. And having an email list is the best way to do it. Kasi kapag meron ka ng email list, then you can have a personal or deeper connection with your audience. And that's why you need to think smart. Take an action right away to build your email list. Kahit na maliit pa lang yung YouTube channel mo, feeling mo walang manunood ng video mo, just keep on going and keep on building your own email list. At dahil dyan, Huwag mong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking email list. Just click the link in the description of this video and sign up to my email newsletter para updated ka sa mga insider tips ko. Okay ba yun? These are the 10 tips that really helped me to grow my YouTube channel from 0 to 100 subscribers and then to 1,000 subscribers and hopefully to more subscribers. So, from the 10 tips na share ko sa inyo sa video na ito, which tips that you would like to apply in your YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments below. Now that you know these 10 tips, you may be wondering kung paano magsimula ng YouTube channel. So, if wala ka pang YouTube channel and you want to start a YouTube channel, then watch on this next video and I will see you there.